Hey class, take your seats. We're going to begin our lesson. So, hey Simon. What? I'm gonna make fun of the teacher. Watch. This generation is cooked. So, finding X can be a little tricky. Just like how finding your hairline is tricky. That was a good one, Kyle. Now, if your grade in my class was that good, we wouldn't be having a problem.
Oh!
What? Oh, you think this is funny, huh? I mean, not really. It's all fun and games until you have to repeat my class for what? The 5th time now?
He did it again! He got him again!
My
My
goodness! Hey man, you better stop. Kyle, I thought you know how to respect adults by now. Didn't they teach you this in juvie? Oh, you got jokes now. Oh, you got felonies now.
Man,
He
hasn't
really
he-
That's so messed up. Just like your GPA.
What?